Cassie. I am a regimen coach here at Consonant Skincare, and today I'm going to be talking about our Healthy Skincare Detox Kit. This kit is our revamped Healthy Skincare Detox Kit, which includes 3 full-size 100% natural skincare products that will help you discover your best skin. The first step in our Healthy Skincare Detox Kit is our natural foaming face wash. This face wash is formulated without parabens, sulfites, or any scent, and it's also a 3-in-1 product, so it will remove your makeup, it will cleanse the skin of impurities, and as well it is naturally pH balanced, so you don't need to tone your skin afterwards. Our second step in our natural skincare detox kit is our DHE mask. DHE stands for Detoxify, Hydrate, and Exfoliate, and we do that with manicurging clay, natural fruit enzymes, and water-binding sugars. Our last step in our natural skincare detox kit is moisturizer. We have 2 choices of moisturizers at Consonant. We have one for normal to oily skin, and we have one for normal to dry skin. Both of our moisturizers are extremely lightweight and fast absorbing, providing optimal hydration for 24 hours. This detox kit is sure to reset your skin to a natural glowing balance, as well as introduce you to natural skincare products.